Hi friends, I am Anu Thomas from Ed4Site. Today I am going to introduce about Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders and International Classification of Diseases. First, Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders or DSM. The Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders is a publication for the classification of mental disorders using a common language and standard criteria. It is published by the American Psychiatric Association and is used by clinicians, researchers, psychiatric drug regulation agencies, health insurance companies, pharmaceutical companies, the legal system, and policymakers. The DSM evolved from systems for collecting census and psychiatric hospital statistics and from a United States Army manual. Revisions since its first publication in 1952 have incrementally added to the total number of mental disorders and removed those no longer considered to be mental disorders. Mental health professionals use the manual to determine and help communicate a patient's diagnosis after an evaluation. The DSM can be used clinically or to categorize patients using diagnostic criteria for research purposes. Second, International Classification of Diseases or ICD. The International Classification of Diseases is a globally used diagnostic tool for epidemiology, health management, and clinical purposes. The ICD is maintained by the World Health Organization, which is the directing and coordinating authority for health within the United Nations system. The ICD is originally designed as a healthcare classification system, providing a system of diagnostic codes for classifying diseases, including nuanced classifications of a wide variety of signs, symptoms, abnormal findings, complaints, social circumstances, and external causes of injury or disease. This system is designed to map health conditions to corresponding generic categories together with specific variations, assigning for these a designated code up to 6 characters long. The ICD includes a section classifying mental and behavioral disorders. This has developed alongside the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders of the APA, and the two manuals seek to use the same codes. The World Health Organization is revising their classifications in these sections. As part, the development of ICD-11 and an international advisory group has been established to guide them.